Hi everyone, this is Shilpa Ghogre from Department of Mathematics, Maharishi Dayanand College, Mumbai. In this video, I'm introducing the students of XYBCom subject Mathematical and Statistical Techniques, which is also known as MathStat. The course is known as UBCom FS 1.6. There are two sections in this paper. First section is of mathematics, which carries 40 marks and it has 2 units, whereas the second section is statistics, which carries 60 marks and it has 3 units. For first year BCom B division, I will be taking the second section, that is statistics. And for this, I have 3 lectures per week allotted to me. Let me tell you in brief the syllabus for this particular paper. For section 2, as I told you, there are 3 units in this section. First and second units were in mathematics, whereas third, fourth and fifth units are in statistics. In unit 3, you have summarization measures. The first part of it consists of measures of central tendency, which consists of the topics like mean, median, mode for group data as well as for ungrouped data, quartiles, deciles, percentiles. Then you have to draw ogive, which is a kind of graph, and using ogive, locate median, quartiles. Then you have histogram, and using that you have to locate mode. You also have combined and weighted mean in this particular topic. The second part of the unit is measures of dispersion, which contains concept and idea of dispersion. Then various measures like range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, variance, and combined variance. The fourth unit is elementary probability theory, whereas fifth unit is decision theory. The details of the topic I will tell you when I teach this particular unit. We will be starting with unit 3, which is measures of central tendency. Now let me tell you the teaching plan for online lectures. So as I told you, I am going to take statistics on your class. I will be using the following methods. There will be lectures on Zoom platform. I think you had all the lectures on Google Meet, but I will be using Zoom. So you need to download that app in your mobile or your laptop. I will be sending the link and then you have to click on that link and then you can join the online lecture. That particular lecture will also be made YouTube live. So in case you have some connectivity issue or you are not able to watch it at the same time, then YouTube live will be done. So you can either watch it live on YouTube or the recording of that particular lecture will remain on that YouTube link. So you can revise it by watching it again on YouTube. I will be also using the videos on YouTube. So I will be preparing the videos, small videos, and then the links of those videos, YouTube links, will be shared to you. Like I'm sharing the link of this particular video. And then you can watch those videos and study. Then we will be also making use of Google Classroom. Now for Google Classroom, you have to join the classroom by entering a particular code. The whole process of how to join the Google Classroom and how you can see various materials and assignments in that Google Classroom. I will be sharing 2 videos for that on your WhatsApp group. You can watch them properly, carefully, and the code, class code for the class, Google Classroom will also be shared with you. And then you can join the Google Classroom. Then for getting your information, that means we want to know about the student. whether you have understood the topic, whether you are able to solve the problems. For that, assignments will be given to you. And these assignments will be mainly in the form of a Google form. So these are the various methods or techniques or technology which I will be using while teaching statistics. Now let me share the plan for first week, that is 7th September to 12th September. Every day I will be sharing a link of YouTube video either on the WhatsApp group, or once your Google Classroom is formed, on that Google Classroom I will be sharing the link. What you have to do is watch that video very carefully and write down the notes or the problem which is taught in your notebook. So you have to maintain a separate notebook for statistics. Then the assignment will be given to you. You have to solve the problem in that particular assignment. Then I will be taking the lecture, live lecture on Zoom platform on Saturday, that is 12th of September. The time for the lecture and the link I will provide one day prior to it. In that lecture, it will be basically on interaction and doubt solving. So in these 4 or 5 videos, whatever topics are taught through the videos, on that, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the lecture and then I will revise those topics. And it will be a basically interaction type of lecture. Now in the second week, again videos will be given to you, plus Zoom lecture will also be there. Lecture on Zoom platform is, I make it as a short form as Zoom lecture. Plus there will be tutorials. What are tutorials? They are basically problem solving sessions. So you all will be divided in 5 different batches, and for each batch we will have a separate tutorial. And in that tutorial, you will be asked to solve the problem, and we will be observing it, and then you can ask your doubts to the teacher, whoever is conducting that particular tutorial. I'm going to take 3 batches for your class. The remaining 2 batches will be taken by the other teachers in our department. Now, let me tell you in detail about the YouTube videos which I am sending. So, to save your data pack and to watch it again and again, first you download the video. You can pause and rewind and then watch it as many times as you want. Then below the video, there is a description box. In that, an assignment link will be given to you. It is a link of Google Form. So you have to fill that form after watching the video. Then below that, there is a comment box. So if you have any doubt, immediately if you get some doubt and you want to communicate it to me, then instead of going to the WhatsApp group, what you can do is, there below the video itself, there is a comment box. In that comment box, you can write your name, class is of course FIBCom, the division you can write, and then write your doubt. Or if you have any suggestion, if you want to comment on that particular video, that you can write in that comment box. And if you want to get the notification whenever I send the video, of course I will be sending the link in the WhatsApp group, but still if you want to get the notification, then you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. It is optional, absolutely optional. Now, with this introduction to the syllabus and my method of teaching statistics, I stop here. In the next video, you will see the basic terms which are used in statistics. Some of the terms you have already learned in either 10th standard, or if you have taken mathematics at 12th standard, there you have learned those particular terms. But never mind, I will be recalling them, and we will study the arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So for that, you wait for my next video. Thank you.